How to troubleshoot advanced audio separation issues. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Log into your account using your credentials. If you experience problems with advanced audio separation, start by checking the audio file quality. Make sure your file is in a supported format like MP3, WAV, or FLAC, and that it's not corrupted or too compressed, as low quality files can cause separation errors. Try adjusting the separation mode to better fit your audio track. Lalal.ai offers various modes such as vocal and instrumental, drums, bass, piano, and more. Selecting the right mode for your audio can improve separation accuracy and reduce artifacts. If the audio has unwanted noise or audio artifacts, consider upgrading to a premium plan. Premium plan offers access to higher quality separation algorithms and advanced settings that can handle complex tracks better. Also, clear your browser cache and refresh the page before retrying. Sometimes temporary browser issues can interfere with processing. Finally, if you still face problems, contact Lalal.ai support via their official website for personalized assistance. Describe your issue clearly and provide sample files if possible. And that's it. Now you know how to troubleshoot advanced audio separation issues effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.